Welcome friends. In previous tutorial, we saw introduction of Adobe InDesign. Now in this tutorial, we'll learn about layout. Photoshop editing is done on Photoshop. Word processing is done on Word. Logos and computer illustration are done on Illustrator. These finished products are brought into InDesign to create a finished layout. Create new document. Choose File, New and Document. The New Document dialog box combines the document setup and the margin and column dialog boxes so that you can set up the page size, margins and page column all in one place. Specify document setup options. To specify the dimensions of the bleed and slug area, click More option. The bleed or slug area extend evenly on all sides. Click the Make All setting, the same icon. Click OK to open a new document with the settings you specified. This is the new document. Document present, intent, number of pages, start page, facing, master text phrase. These are all options here given. We can open document two ways. First, click on document when open the InDesign software. Second, click on file and then click on new and then click on document. Specify the document option. Choose web or print in intent. If you are creating a document to be output to PDF or SWF for the web, choosing the web option changes several options in the dialog box, such as facing pages, changing the orientation from portrait to landscape, using a page size based on monitor resolution. You can edit any of these settings, but you cannot change the input. You can edit any of these settings, but you cannot change the intent setting after the document is created. Number of pages. Specify the number of pages to create in the new document. Then start page. Specify which number the document begins with a two-page spread facing page. Select this option to make left or right pages face and other in double page spread, such as for books and magazines. Deselect this option to let each page stands alone, such as when you are printing flyers or posters, or when you want object to bleed in the binding. After you have created a document, you can use the page panel to create spread with more than two pages or force the first two pages to open as a spread. Then after master text frame. Select this option to create text frame. The size of the area within the margin guides matching the column settings you specified. The master text frame option is available only when you have chosen file, then next, then document. Page size. Choose a page size from the menu or type values for width and height. Page size represents the final size you want to after bleeds or other marks outside the page are trimmed. Then after orientation, click portrait or landscape. This icon interacts dynamically with the dimensions you enter in page size. Bleed. The bleed area allows you to print objects that are arranged at the outer edge of the defined page size. Slug. The slug area is discarded when the document is trimmed to its final page size. The slug area holds printing information, customize color bar information, or display other instruction and description for other information in the document. Change document setup. Choose file, then after click on document setup. Specify the document option and then click OK. In intent, you can choose print intent. In intent, you can choose print or web. Number of pages, then after start page, facing page, master text frame, and then we can choose page size, width, height, portrait, and landscape. Then click OK. Here measurement units are given. Measurement units to specify inches, millimeter, centimeter, picas, points, picas and points, pixel, etc. To specify inches, millimeters, centimeter, picas, points, etc. Types the letter after the value. I means 5.25 for example. Result is 5 1/2 4 inches. In 5.25 in we can write 5 in inches. In inches we can write inch or double quotation. For example 5.25 I, 5.25 in, 5.25 inch. In this millimeters, mm, for example 48 means 48 millimeters. In centimeter we can write cm, for example 12 cm, it means 12 centimeter. In picas we can write p, for example 3p means 3 picas points. In points we can write pt or p written before the value. For example 6pt means 6 point. For example p6 means 6 points. We can write picas and points pixels same as. Then after we can show how to open a file menu in new document. Double click on Indesign software and open the software. We can use trial versions, so continue trial, then close it, then choose file menu, open and select document and click OK. This is a workspace. Then choose file menu, then go to document setup and enter. Click enter. Here given document setup, here intent and page number we can set up, start page and page size, width and height, portrait and landscape we can choose it. Then after click OK. Here file, edit layout, types, object, table, view, window, and help. This all are a menu. Thank you for watching the video.